The Amazon rainforest has revealed some terrifying secrets to scientists that remained hidden for many years. This is the largest and one of the most isolated forests on our planet. The jungle is so vast that if someone were dropped exactly in the middle of it, it could take about 472 days to find a way out. During that long journey, you would encounter many deadly creatures. Some are small, some are large, but their size does not matter. Every one of them can be a killer. All of these creatures are residents of the Amazon. Even a tiny ant in this jungle can be dangerous enough to take a human life. The Amazon rainforest covers about 5.5 million square kilometers, making it one of the most enormous natural regions on Earth. Its size is so massive that it could easily fit 2 countries the size of India, or about 157 countries the size of Dubai. This vast jungle stretches across 8 countries, including Brazil, Peru, Colombia, Bolivia, Guyana, and several others in South America. One surprising fact is that around 20% of the world's oxygen is believed to come from the Amazon rainforest, which is why it is often called the lungs of the earth. The forest is home to more than 40,000 species of plants, and in this wild ecosystem, nature is the only ruler. Everything that happens here follows mysterious natural laws. In today's video, we will reveal some incredible and mysterious facts about the Amazon rainforest that you may have never heard before. How big is the Amazon really? And what deadly animals live inside this jungle that have ruled it for thousands of years? To discover the answers, make sure to watch this video until the end. And if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and select the bell icon so you never miss our upcoming videos. Although the Amazon rainforest covers 5.5 million square kilometers, if you tried to walk along its outer boundary, you would need to travel about 9,500 kilometers. That distance is roughly equal to traveling 7 times between Mumbai and New Delhi. The Amazon is called a rainforest because there is not a single week in the entire year when it does not rain somewhere in the forest. The jungle is so dense that when rain falls on the treetops, it can take almost 10 minutes for the drops to finally reach the ground below. Because of the dense vegetation, even during the daytime, the Amazon rainforest often remains almost as dark as night. The thick forest canopy blocks sunlight from entering the inner parts of the jungle. This is a forest where heavy rainfall and dense vegetation create a unique environment. Because of these conditions, many plants and animals that live here cannot be found in most other parts of the world. The Amazon is home to about 40,000 species of plants, 1,300 species of birds, 2,200 species of fish, 270 species of mammals, and around 380 species of strange and sometimes dangerous reptiles and amphibians. If we talk about small but venomous creatures, the rainforest contains more than 2.5 million different species of insects, many of which are poisonous. From the outside, the jungle may look incredibly beautiful, but inside it can be extremely dangerous. At any moment, anything can happen here. The creatures living in this forest, both large and small, are far more dangerous than most people imagine. If a person accidentally enters this jungle, one of the first terrifying creatures they might encounter is the Green Anaconda. The Green Anaconda is one of the largest snakes in the world. It can grow up to 33 feet long and weigh around 250 kilograms. One of the most frightening abilities of this snake is that it can swallow animals larger than itself alive. Even today, scientists have not been able to determine exactly how many of these massive snakes live in the Amazon rainforest. Besides anacondas, other dangerous snakes such as cobra and python can also be found in the forest. Almost everyone has been bitten by an ant at least once in their life. If that ant was venomous, you probably remember how painful the bite was. But in the Amazon rainforest, there is a type of ant whose bite is almost impossible to tolerate. This ant is called the bullet ant. These ants hide powerful venom inside their bodies and are considered one of the largest ants in the world, growing up to 4 centimeters long. If this ant bites a human, the person can suffer intense pain, and in rare cases, the reaction can even become life-threatening. The reason it is called the bullet ant is because people who have been stung often describe the pain as similar to being shot by a gun. Stretching through this massive jungle is the mighty Amazon River. It is considered the second longest river in the world, and in terms of water flow, it is the largest river on Earth. The river is about 6,840 kilometers long. All the rain that falls throughout the Amazon rainforest eventually flows into this river and then empties into the ocean. In some places, the river reaches depths of about 329 feet. These waters are home to thousands of terrifying predators, including powerful crocodilians that will do almost anything to satisfy their hunger. One astonishing fact about the Amazon River is its enormous water flow. Every second, about 219,000 cubic meters of water pass through the river. To imagine this massive amount of water, consider the world's largest swimming pool, the city-star's Sharm el-Sheikh Lagoon, located in Egypt. The amount of water flowing from the Amazon in just 1 second could fill this entire pool. In fact, the water that flows from the Amazon River into the ocean is roughly equal to the combined flow of about 40 other major rivers. Because large parts of this river remain untouched by humans, many rare species of animals live here. One of the most fascinating among them is the Amazon River dolphin, also known as the pink dolphin. These dolphins can grow up to 9 feet long and weigh around 200 kilograms. They are faster and often considered more intelligent than many other dolphin species because of their highly developed brains. Although dolphins are usually friendly with humans, there have been reports that some of these Amazon dolphins can sometimes behave aggressively toward people. Scientists have also discovered another extraordinary creature in this river, the electric eel. This fish has a unique ability. It can produce powerful electric shocks to attack prey or defend itself. Researchers have measured shocks of up to 860 volts from these creatures. There have been several incidents in the Amazon where electric eels have delivered high-voltage shocks to humans, sometimes even causing death. These animals are capable of attacking creatures much larger than themselves, even those weighing 100 times more than their own body weight. A single electric discharge can instantly disable another animal by shutting down its nervous system. Despite all these dangers, an extraordinary feat was achieved by a marathon swimmer named Martin Strel. In 2007, he became the first person to swim the entire length of the Amazon River in just 66 days, setting one of the most dangerous swimming records in history. Every day, he would swim for about 10 hours, resting on the riverbanks for the remaining time. According to Strel, the river was filled with giant snakes, crocodilians, electric eels, and many other dangerous creatures. To distract these predators, his support team would throw pieces of meat into the water near the shore so that the animals would move away from him. Another mysterious place in the Amazon is a river where the water constantly boils. This unusual river is called the Shanay Timpishka, located in Peru. The river stretches for about 6.5 kilometers, and its water temperature can reach 90 to 100 degrees Celsius, hot enough to cook animals that fall into it. The water in this river has been boiling all year round, and scientists are still trying to understand the exact reason behind this strange phenomenon. Across the Amazon rainforest, nearly 600 indigenous tribes live within the jungle. Many of them survive by hunting and living directly from the forest. Some tribes have never made contact with modern civilization. When they suddenly encounter outsiders, they often react as if they are seeing humans for the very first time. Satellite images have also revealed mysterious shapes across different parts of the Amazon. These shapes are known as geoglyph. Some of these geoglyphs stretch between 1 and 5 kilometers, and more than 300 of them have been discovered throughout the Amazon rainforest. However, scientists still do not know who created these shapes or why they were built. If you think this mysterious topic deserves a separate video, let us know by writing Part 2 in the comment section. And if you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to leave a like. See you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.